Hey guys, and welcome to another settlement in our WeVideo tutorials here, present by WBAM Student Television.
Today we'll be showing you how to use green screen, also known as chroma key, which is to replace your background with something else.
When you use this effect, you can make it appear as though you are somewhere besides where you actually are. Just like this.
Hi, I'm going to show you how to use green screen. First, you're going to get the picture you want, and you're going to drag it to video 1. Then you get your video, and you drag it to video 2. Once you have that all set up, you're going to click on video 2, and you're going to go to the pencil, or you can double click. Once you double click, you want to click on the icon with the person. Once you're there, you click on the dropper, and you go over to your video and click the green screen background. The green will disappear, and you can adjust if you want. You're going to click Save Changes, and then you can edit your video down however you want. Short